Annyeonghaseyo. Hi, welcome to J-Hope World. I've received a package from Angel Romero. I'm not going to turn it around because our addresses are visible. So I'm just going to open it from the back here. I'm excited. Okay, I'm wondering what it is. What is this? What is this? Oh, it's Hobie! Oh, my sunshine. Oh, thank you, Angel. I love him. You just made my day. Yay! Oh, he's my love. Hello, my love. I love you. Thank you so much, Angel. And then there's some stuff in here. Oh my goodness. Tiny tan Hobie. Oh my gosh. Oh, yay. J-Hope from Dynamite music video. Oh, I'm shaking. Oh my gosh, it's Hobie, RM, and V Tay. And on the back, it's Hobie. It's JK, Jimin, and Jin. Ah! You made my day. You made my day, Angel. Ah! I don't know if I'm turning red, but oh my gosh. Look, it's Tiny Tan Hobie. Oh, thank you so much, Angel. I really, really appreciate this. I have a question to ask you. Did you get these at the K-pop store in your area? You gotta let me know if they have like pictures of Hobie or like pack of photo cards, anything like that. Let me know. I'll get in touch with you, and of course I'll pay for that stuff. But just let me know. You know, you can take pictures and share things with me when you hit up the K-pop store or whatever. But oh my gosh, I'm not sure if you got that from the K-pop store or if you know, ordered these specially for me. So, oh my gosh. I'm so happy. I'm about to cry. You made happy tears, not sad ones. Oh my gosh. Ah. I had one of these, but it wasn't official and it got damaged when it was sent to me. So his face has wrinkles all in it. So you just made me super happy because he arrived in perfect condition. I'm going to take him out of here just so people can see that he is undamaged. So excited for Tiny Tan Hobie. Oh, he's so cute. I gotta put my glasses on too. I mean, I can see him good enough. Oh, he's so handsome. And I love the little freckle or mole he has right on his lip. Oh, he's so cute. Look, see, he's perfect. There's only like one little dot, like dent right there. But look, no wrinkles on his face. Perfect. Look how gorgeous he is. Yay. And he has a little freckle right here on his mouth, which I think is so cute. Oh, thank you so much again, Angel. I'm so tickled. Oh my God. You made my whole day. You made my whole week. You've made my whole month. You made my whole year. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. And I'll be talking to you soon. So everyone, thank you for tuning in for this unboxing today. Look at Tiny Tan Hobie. I should take him out, but I'll share that in another video. So thank you again for watching and tuning in. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and do so now. And I'll see you in the next one. Annyeong! Bye! Before I leave, I have to correct myself because I wasn't wearing my glasses and I can't see up close on smaller pictures. So this is Yoongi here. Yoongi and Hobie look so much alike. Not all the time, but most of the time. So Hobie's on the back right here. So this is OT7. Beautiful card. I love it. Thanks. Just had to correct myself.